Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful day. It is blue sky out there. We're gonna take a stroll now here in the Lake Kwan Dao and see how the current situation is here in the tourist town of Da Nang. Right at the beach. How's the situation? I think it's gonna be a very busy week because it's holidays in the country. So I think a lot of events are here at the beach and on the Han River, which is very interesting. I might go there and film it a little bit. The pickleball is pretty busy. Oh yeah, every court is full. Wow. I think it's a full success here. Something's getting constructed here. Maybe the fence is rebuilt. Pavement is gonna be rebuilt here. Very good. What a beautiful pavement here, huh? Sadly, it's not every day like this. But yeah, this is also very new that you can't just walk here. Perfectly fine. And I think they're doing a barber shop over here. I saw a sign. It's going to be a social barbershop, so it's going to be very nice actually. It's going to be a very close by barbershop now in this neighborhood, right next to where Marcus lives in the neighborhood area. So what time is it today? It's 9:47, guys. 9:47. And there's a new construction site here on Doba. It's actually very interesting. It's going to be I think a higher building. Or what do you think? It looks like it's going to be a bigger one. All inventory 20% off. Me as a German, if I see a sale, I have to look closer to it. This is also the place where they have bigger sizes, guys. And you can get Crocs. I don't know if they're open or not. Are they open? Yeah. I think they're open. Huh. Pig gym. I don't know what's going on here, guys. And then there's a big wall over there. I don't know what they're doing here. Using it as a parking spot. Oh, it's a construction site. Okay. Another apartment building, probably. May Beach Hotel. We are very much in the high season right now, so also expect high season prices in hotels. But I'm wondering if we're gonna have low season prices, if we're actually gonna have a low season. We will see. I definitely have to try these Milan chow noodles there. I heard so much good about them. But yeah, so I'm wondering if there's gonna be a low season even. Might be even higher than the last years. But to be honest, it will be a low season. It's the worst weather I can imagine here in Southeast Asia. When it's raining non-stop and it's flooding in some areas. Yeah. But to be honest, I kind of miss cold rain here. And there are some people who actually like it. But good weather tourists will not come. So hotel prices won't be high. Apartments will probably be the same. I don't think there's gonna be a low anymore. Hotels, especially hotel deals for a month, for 2 months, I would look into that. There you have Russian tour groups. You can even get SIM cards here, interesting. I think they even have bank accounts here. I saw something, Vietnamese Russian bank somewhere. Here and in Nha Trang actually. Heaven Spa. That sounds so so sketchy, guys. And what is that? Yes. I cannot read it. Cosmetics? Huh. What's going on over there? A little bit of a traffic jam. There are more and more traffic jams, guys, especially around rush hour. 6 o'clock, I see a lot of traffic jams, also on the beach. You can see there's a lot of tourists in town with cars at the moment. You can see all different number plates that are not yellow. If they're yellow, they are taxis, yes. So this in front of us, taxis. On the right side, taxis. It's all taxis at the moment. So you see there's actually more taxis than normal cars. It's all yellow number plates. And 43 is Da Nang. But yeah. Sana Hotel, the breakfast buffet. A row full of taxis here, guys. They're waiting, and this is the reason why it is actually one of the best cities in the world to get a taxi immediately. Usually if you order a Grab on your phone, the car will be there in less than 2 minutes. Very, very quick, very efficient. You could hypothetically also just walk to the guys and say, hey, drive me to somewhere, please. And they will tell you a price. And usually they also give you the same price as Grab, so they make actually more because of they don't have to pay the fee. But usually it's smarter to do the Grab, because if you're new here, you don't know everything. Like I saw this guy, very funny. He's a German YouTuber and he's very big. I don't know how he has a lot of subscribers and he's well traveled. And when I saw him taking the taxi and get scammed so hard on the airport, I was laughing hard. I also saw, just from when he was driving, that the taxi driver took the meter. But the taxi driver with the meter just took a long route. He just took like such a stupid route, okay? Just to make more money on it. And then he told him that the airport fee is 50,000 dong, which is not true. The airport fee is 9,000 dong, but usually they do 10,000. So 10,000 is okay. And so he got scammed this twice from a taxi driver. So, but still small scams that is not really hurtful, I would say. I don't think it's bad. Like, I think he paid 200,000. What is that? $7? I mean, it's very cheap. It's the double the price, 100% double the price, but it's still not bad or something. It's not like you get robbed from like $100 or something. This would be something else, but yeah. Keep that in mind. The taxi fare, the taxi parking fee is real. They also just let them charge you through Grab or Xanesem, because then they will not do anything stupid, because you know if they charge you 50,000, then Grab will say, hey, why do you charge you 50,000? It's a scam. So yeah, it's 10,000 dong, guys, and you can take a taxi. I would not even do meter. I would just say, hey, this is the price, this is what I pay, and that's it. Because there actually are numbers on the airport. You can actually go and see how much it costs to the Radisson or like to the beachfront hotels in Mian, how much to the beachfront hotels to Mike, how much to Haichao. They show you the number, what the price is. On the sign. You can just make a photo and show it to the taxi driver in case you don't want to use any apps. Show the taxi driver and say, hey, yo, give me this price. Give him a little bit more, like sometimes it's 113 or something. So just give him 120, he will be happy. And just be like, okay, I know my shit. All right? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.